78% of American Jews can't read Hebrew, and yet we're called the people of the book. The truth is, most American Jews were never given the tools to actually learn Hebrew. Apps fall short. Hebrew school didn't stick. Traditional classes? Not made for real adult lives. That's why Rosen exists. We're the global leader in live online Hebrew education, with university-accredited teachers, flexible schedules, and proven results. And we make it work for your life, whether you're starting from scratch or picking it back up after decades. Hebrew isn't just for rabbis or Israelis or religious Jews. It's yours. It's your birthright. And learning it might be the most meaningful Jewish step you take this year. Join Rosen. Reclaim your language. Reconnect with your identity. Take the first step today. Learn Hebrew with Rosen.